So I have to win the medal of honor for that game.
Yeah, Mom. That's the website.
What do I do?
No excuses. All of you need to patience. And listen, you can start putting those toys with. With the help, dear. Actually, yes, Greta. Can you make sure Jason doesn't make a bigger mess? Of course, Anna, let's go, Jason. Let's stay up better.
Maria, what a pleasant surprise. What can you say why?
Oh, Richard, I was just a neighborhood and thought I'd stop in to say hello.
Hello. Mom, Dad, what's happening? The cleaning chemical. I must be fixed and make wrong. We need to get out of our house.
Oh dear, let me call emergency service right away.
And that's all. Thank you.